After eating 60 tacos at the Gringo Bandito Taco Challenge, there's only one proper way to follow up. Get a solid morning workout, and then go get yourself a proper dozen egg omelet at the Broken Yolk Cafe to cure that taco hangover.
That's yours.
I guess so. Thank you very much.
Bon appetit, my friend.
That's breakfast and lunch right there. That's a Dan omelet right there. Look at that thing.
Yours is bigger than his.
Breakfast and lunch, baby.
Oh, rip off.
Breakfast and lunch. With no fanfare, no BS, and no Stalin, it's time to see what the power of a dozen eggs, home fries, chili cheese, and big biscuits can do for you.
If we wanted to, but it's massive. So we're gonna get we're gonna get a countdown here, and we're gonna get into it.
Awesome.
All the food.
All right.
Okay.
All the gains.
Everybody ready?
Yeah.
Yes.
No fanfare, no BS, no Stalin. Let's go.
We're rolling.
Okay.
Nice, still hot.
We're not gonna speed through.
What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Freak Eating. Do not adjust your television set, YouTube box, or touch that dial. It feels like I've done this challenge 100 times, but it's really only like 10 or 11. But this was my first time doing the Ironman challenge at an Orange County location of the Broken Yolk Cafe, and I was eating it alongside 3 absolutely renowned competitive eaters. To my right, you'll find Jesse Pynnonen, Finnish competitive eater and legit YouTube star. He just crossed 100,000 subscribers. And to my right is Schuyler. Sorry, to my left is Schuyler. Left on screen is Schuyler, arguably one of the greatest competitive eaters alive today. And to Molly's right is Killer, sometimes known as Killer Kennedy if you've seen some of my other videos. He's an absolute beast and easily one of the best 3, 4, maybe 5 best competitive independent eaters in the United States. All 3 of these fellow freaks have YouTube channels, and if you enjoy food challenges, I highly suggest you check out their work. All do truly impressive things. One of the benefits of a big eating contest coming to Southern California is the chance to hang out and work with a lot of cool people I don't get to see often. This was my first time meeting Killer in person, even after we'd done several collabs on YouTube together. It's really a trip sometimes meeting someone in person that you've only ever talked to on the internet. This was actually my second time meeting Jesse, and honestly, it was the first time that we had a real conversation. Pretty cool guy, easy to talk to actually. I've known Molly for several years, but typically we only get to see each other maybe once or twice a year depending on where we go for contests. I don't travel too much typically, usually I'm in California, so I have to wait for people to come here. This felt more like a gathering of friends than an eating challenge, but it was still fun all around. Because I've done the Ironman challenge multiple times, there was no fire in me to work fast, and it became a leisurely large meal. Now unfortunately the Mission Viejo location where we were eating serves up a humongous version of the challenge, so it was no cakewalk. The manager told us our platters all weighed over 9 pounds, and I definitely believe him. I got coffee to go with my breakfast, so I made the most of it. If you can finish the appropriately named Iron Man or Iron Woman challenge in an hour or less, you'll score a free meal and a free t-shirt. Honestly, that's the least they can do to reward you for a big job well done. Otherwise, you'll be paying about $35, but you get enough food to feed a family, legitimately. My favorite part of the challenge platter has got to be the eggs. Not what's in the eggs or on top of the eggs, but the eggs themselves. There's something ridiculously tasty about the way they cook this omelet. The potatoes are good too, and the biscuits are usually a bit bland and just dry because they're just really big and they dry out when they're sitting there. But the omelet is where it's at.
Molly's over here. Done.
We're all done.
Finish up.
Ready to eat this last bite?
48 minutes for Nataretta.
Mr. Nadir had a massive meal.
That's right, massive.
Sweet t-shirt.
Make sure you check out everybody's channel.
Thank
All
you.
the links in the description. Please like and
It's all about the
subscribe.
greasy t-shirt.
Until next time.
Can we have?
Take it easy.
Today we're all killers. We're all killers today.
Boom goes the dynamite. Another challenge in the books, another Ironman in the tank, and another t-shirt for the collection. More importantly, it was great to hang out with 3 awesome competitive eaters. Hopefully we can do it again one day. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button and share it with a friend. I thank all of you at home for watching this video, and I appreciate your support through all these years. Till we eat again, stay in school, don't do drugs, and eat like a freak.